What's up, everyone? While I don't have it with me today, today's wine text is the Alleromb 2011 Red Blend from Columbia Valley in Washington. So this is something I'm really excited about, especially being such a Rhone Valley fan. If everyone has been watching these videos, anyone that knows me in the store knows that the Rhone Valley are some of my favorite wines in the world. But something that I'm also really into is New World wineries making Old World style wines, and this is kind of where this wine comes in. Alleromb is a really small production within Columbia Valley that specializes in high altitude wines. What does that mean? The higher altitude is a cooler climate, which is a little bit more similar to the European style of growing wines, and actually getting that ripeness on a cooler climate doesn't allow the grapes to be over ripened or kind of too fruit forward. This wine is actually a blend between Grenache and Syrah, and actually built in the style of what you think of Chateauneuf du Papes. It won't be exactly the same because it is cooler, and the European styles tend to be a little bit more earthy. There is still a kiss of fruit here in the Chateauneuf du Papes, which you get a little bit more of this kind of raspberry, deep blackberry notes. But I still find that the structure is extremely full-bodied, very tannic, and very kind of, that age-worthy style wine. This is 2011, which was actually a pretty good year in Washington. For specific winemakers, I think different people have different experiences, but these guys had a really great vintage. The wine is definitely able to be aged for a long period of time, but that's already done for you. This is going on about 9 years of age. I think it's drinking in its absolute prime. It's ready to go. Pop it open. I would definitely still decant it. I think there's probably going to be a little bit of sediment in there, but definitely decant it. Have the wine kind of open up in the decanter, and I think you'll find that there's going to be a lot of similarities between older Chateauneuf du Papes and this wine. Really cool stuff from a really cool producer. Like I said, small production. They only make, maybe a couple hundred cases of this wine, and it's something that you're not going to find with the age already kind of put on it in this style. So hope you guys enjoy.